2026 is coming in thick, it's coming in fast, and you have decided that you want to launch a business in 2026. In this video, I am going to dive into how you are going to find your next winning product on Etsy, and who knows, it might even be a print-on-demand product, which means that you could actually start this project, this business today. Now, why Etsy, you ask? Selling on Etsy is one of the fastest ways that you can actually start an online business, especially if you are looking to dive into that print-on-demand space, handmade goods, or digital products. Etsy has millions of active shoppers, and they are always coming onto the platform to look for all types of stuff. So there's definitely a niche that you are going to be able to hop into. And the great thing about Etsy is that you don't actually have to build your audience yourself from scratch. Etsy brings the customers to you. It is super beginner friendly, and with a tool like Everbee is going to make it even easier to get your business discovered on Etsy. The great thing about Everbee is that it's going to allow you to research profitable niches on Etsy. So it basically connects directly to Etsy, and it pulls a bunch of data from Etsy that you can look at on Everbee. We are going to have a look at it in more detail on my computer. So you are going to be able to see what is already selling and what is selling well, the keywords that people are searching on Etsy every day, and keywords are the key to having your business discovered on Etsy. And best of all, once you have, established your store on Etsy and you want to, come away from that a little bit and actually have your own store, you can use the Everbee platform to then build your very own custom store. So you will no longer need to use Etsy as a platform. You'll basically have your own .com, because you'll be able to then connect your own domain name and all of that good stuff. And the great thing is you're just going to be able to just pull all your information, all your data, everything, your products from Etsy onto Everbee and basically create that custom store. So let's find that winning product together, guys. Let's do it. The first thing we're going to want to do is think about what niche we actually want to tap into. And to help us figure this out, we're going to use Everbee's keyword research tool. And this is going to show us exactly what people have been searching on Etsy. And we're going to be able to start sort of getting a feel, getting an idea as to what kind of products are selling and what niche, what category we want to tap into. So we are on the Everbee platform, and I'm going to click here where it says keyword research. And as you can see, gift, or a variation of gift, is one of the most searched words on Etsy at the moment. But the word gift is obviously very broad, and it's not a niche at all. But at least we know that when we are listing our product on Etsy, we are going to need to include the word gift in it, because it is searched. It is highly searched on the platform. Now, straight off the bat, when I'm thinking gift, I'm thinking, okay, what kind of gift do I want to receive? And I am somebody that had a baby recently, so I automatically thought mum and baby gift. So on Everbee, I'm going to go over here where it says product analysis and start doing some research on some baby and mum gifts and see what kind of products hop up. That can then give me an idea of what kind of products, what kind of gifts are selling well, and I can sort of begin to base my product on that, if you get what I mean. So let me start off by typing in mum gift and see what comes up. So this is monthly revenue, by the way, guys. And for me, in terms of product analysis, I am going to be looking for a monthly revenue of around about $2,000 to $3,000 US. I also want to have a look at the conversion rate, and I'm looking for a good conversion rate. And I also want to see, the total overall sales. How well is this product actually doing overall? So for mum gift, we can see that one of our top revenue items is this product here, which is a little tiny necklace, and that is super cute. We can see we've got a box, a hug in the box here, lots of personalized bits, another box. So it's mostly like jewelry bits and boxes. So I'm gonna search mum and baby gift, because I think I would want to receive a gift that is for both mummy and baby. Now again, we've got a gift box. This product here, which has a revenue of almost 7,000. Let's click into that. Oh, it's cute little matching socks for baby and mummy. That's quite cute. And it looks like that product is quite popular because here it is again. And another hamper sort of box idea. I think I am beginning to get a taste, an idea of what kind of product I would want for a mum and baby gift. The matching mum and baby socks have stood out to me, so I would definitely want to sort of like take that concept but obviously change it and adapt it to me. So I'm thinking something fun for mum and baby, maybe a matching top for mum and then like a matching baby grow for the baby. I love the joke of calling your child your broke bestie, so I'm thinking like a top for the baby which says I'm the broke bestie, and maybe on the mum's top she's like with my broke bestie, or something fun along those lines. The whole box idea also stood out to me. I would also want to include some little bits to make up a box, so maybe like a cup, mug, or like a flask. And the reason being is because the boxes are performing very well. As you can see, we can actually tap into this gift and we can actually have a look at it on Etsy, and this one has got a couple bits for the baby along with a cup for mummy and a cup for daddy, and that has a revenue of 11,000 last month, and it's priced in at £53. So a good thing about Everbee is that I can also use this to start, you know, kind of figuring out the price point that I want for my product. And this actually has a really good growth rate. Let's have a look at the conversion rate. It's got a 2% conversion rate. So we're definitely on the right page. We're definitely going down the right lines for our product. Now over here, I've just clicked into keyword research because this is really important when it comes to getting discovered on Etsy. You're gonna have to have the right keywords. I kind of want to get an idea as to what I would call this particular gift in order for it to get discovered on Etsy by potential customers. And what we would want is to find something that doesn't have too much competition. So you can see here, vegan gifts for mum and baby. Over here, I'm actually going to click here where it says keyword score, and we can see here it says parenting, mum, dad and baby line print for new parent. This apparently has got a really good score, so maybe we can tap into that. So basically we would use this keyword research to improve our SEOs so that our store becomes more discoverable because we have used words that people are actually searching. Now going back to our product, the reason why the product that we've picked is really good is that we could actually then use a print on demand site such as Printify, and on Printify we will definitely find a t-shirt for mum, a baby grow for baby, the cup and the mug and the flask, and all of that will be on print on demand, which means that we wouldn't actually have to carry any inventory. And Printify actually links quite well with Everbee, and I believe it also links quite well with Etsy as well. Another great thing on Everbee that we'll definitely need to utilize is their profit calculator. So this will help us figure out how much money we are actually making on the products that we are selling on Etsy. So that is basically how I would use Everbee to research and discover a good product idea to start selling on Etsy. And now I've got the basis of a product. All I'll then have to do is set up that store on Etsy and basically launch my new product in 2026 or even in 2025. I am definitely into digital product ideas because that carries absolutely no inventory. So I would literally use Everbee and I would type into where it says product analysis, I'll type in digital product and I'll see what popular digital products are coming up and basically create my own version of that digital product and start selling that on Etsy and get discovered, because I will be utilizing the keyword research and I will start ranking higher than some of those digital product ideas that are out there. So that is another little bit of food for thought for you guys. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. I'm going to have Everbee linked in my description. Please don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my very next video.